Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with BTCC, absolutely incredible exchange who are currently offering a 10% deposit bonus on any size deposit, which is absolutely insane. That means you could deposit 10k on the platform and get a 1k bonus for doing absolutely nothing, not to mention all their other great features and bonuses including copy trading, etc. So make sure to go down in the description and get signed up with them, along with all of our other great partnerships which are all offering great rewards for signing up and trading, including MEXC, XRocket and many more. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, making its way up nicely as we continue to recover in general for altcoins. If you take a quick look at Vechain's price action here, you can see obviously we've been down, heading down in this big descending channel for a good while, just like so many other cryptos have been. The whole altcoin market pretty highly correlated to the downside recently. Bitcoin has obviously been chopping around quite a lot. If we look at Bitcoin's price action, we were heading down in this descending wedge type pan, which came to fruition in the end, and we did have a massive amount of chop. As you can quite clearly see, when you get this kind of movement for Bitcoin, especially when it's 5 and 10k swings up and down with daily candles, you are going to get your altcoins getting absolutely slashed to pieces. And you can see pretty much the whole time that was going on, Bitcoin was pretty much going sideways like this, and the whole altcoin market was just going down, as you can see with Vechain's price action here. Which is no surprise, this is nothing new. We know that when Bitcoin chops around sideways like this, that we do see the whole altcoin market tends to drop 30, 40, 50%, while Bitcoin will drop like 20% and then recover straight away. As you can see, Vechain is nowhere near recovering back to the high. We got down around 76% here on the local swing. We're still down 60% from that local swing high. If you look at Bitcoin's price action, you can see we got down around only 31, 32% here, which is generally how far Bitcoin drops before it pumps. And you can see we're only 5% down from the all-time high now, which I think showcases my point absolutely perfectly. When Bitcoin chops the market up, all the money flows back into Bitcoin, and everyone waits to see if altcoins will recover. You can see here we've got a lot of growing back to this local swing high to do for Vechain, not to mention the fact that pretty much all of our cryptos across the market that are altcoins are still nowhere near their all-time highs. You can see here Vechain is still, from the current price, like 10x down from its all-time high. So incredible amounts of growth that could happen if we could see our altcoins getting a push back to the upside, and Bitcoin allows the altcoin market to actually have a move, because ultimately Bitcoin, it's been having quite a lot of a volatile time, and we haven't really seen altcoins take off at all in this market as of yet. It's pretty insane to see how crazy the altcoin market has been underperforming in this cycle, if I'm being completely honest. You can see we are looking still technically bullish market structure here. As you can see, we've been making higher highs and higher lows on quite a lot of cryptos. I think Dogecoin's the best example of this. Dogecoin looking exceptionally bullish here. My trade on Dogecoin working out extremely well, just like last time, as we can see. Dogecoin really showing what the altcoin market should be doing, in my opinion, getting back to the all-time high and probably heading up to that $1 level. Vechain here you can see really underperforming, just like a lot of other cryptos. Polygon, even Chainlink hasn't even got anywhere near its all-time high yet. You can see even these big cryptos have really been struggling to get back up towards their all-time highs. Only really Solana is the one that's come up, tested its all-time high, swept, and then come back down, swept the low, and is probably going to continue from here. Overall, I would say Vechain looking like everything is fine, and it's probably going to continue to get some more upside, in my opinion. But overall, obviously, we do need to be aware that we might never see heading back to all-time highs at this rate if the altcoin market doesn't continue and doesn't go back to the upside. We are probably going to be seeing Vechain getting up towards, 10, 15, 20 cents as the maximum in this cycle. Just like a lot of cryptos from the previous cycle never got back to their all-time highs, that could be the case if we don't see the altcoin market pump. The altcoin market in general has really been struggling. If you look at the basket, you can see we haven't even tapped the all-time high of the previous cycle yet for the overall basket here, as you can see. So we're obviously getting a recovery now, but we really would want to see a lot of cryptos getting back towards their all-time highs on the next pump. And I think we want to see Vechain coming up, breaking that 618 Fibonacci, which is a key flipping bullish indicator for me on these big Fibonaccis. Big Fibonacci pulls, you'd want to see yourself getting up above that 10-cent level, and then really it's only a small push to the 30-cent level in terms of the distance on the chart in people's minds, and also just in general the sentiment at the minute improving for altcoins. But overall it doesn't seem as though, if you look at Vechain and a lot of these other bigger cryptos from the last cycle, a lot of them haven't really been doing much. Chainlink here really still got a long way to go as well. Pretty much all the altcoins are looking very similar. If you look at Chainlink here, from the all-time high, 66% down from its all-time high. Vechain is obviously still massively down, 90% from its all-time high. So there's a lot of work to do for Vechain going forward, but I am optimistic that we're still going to see some good gains over the next year, provided that Bitcoin doesn't do anything silly. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for a massive BTCC bonus so you can receive and get involved with all our other great partnerships as well. Thanks a lot for watching.